can't tell you really what it is, but you got it. Makeup in the morning, you got dresses in your closet, but you grab them tight, you in love with being modest.
Hey guys, it's Forever Char. In this video, I'm going to show you guys how I got my nails from that to this beauty here with dip powder, and all the products will be in the description box below. So here's a picture of what my nails look like before I decided to do dip powder on my natural nails. And the purpose of doing this dip powder is to actually save my nails. Oh my god, y'all, I am doing a video! Anywho, the products in the video will be Azure. So actually, again, all of the products that you see in my video are products that you have seen before. The Azure, I have used this in another dip powder video. They're just a smaller version. It's the same products, just a smaller bottle. But the steps still remain. I put my primer on and I put my dehydrator on and then my primer, and then I'm going to go ahead and dip my nails, or put the base coat on my nails to get ready to dip them. You know, I upload these videos for those who refuse to go to the nail shop. Now, you know, if you had the money or whatever, I'm not telling anybody what to do, but if you have the skills to do your own nails, I always tell people to learn how to do something yourself. Learn how to do your hair, learn how to do your nails. I just feel like we should all have some sort of skill if we cannot make it to the nail shop or the hair salon. And it's okay if you don't have those skills. I mean, it's okay. Everybody wants to be pampered, and that's okay to pamper yourself. I'm not telling anybody not to pamper yourself. Do you, baby. Do you, girl. Go get yourself pampered. Do whatever it is that makes you happy. But let's go ahead and put our base coat on. So the base coat basically helps the dip powder stick to the nails. And I'm not going to really talk much in this video, but this process is going to be ongoing for all my nails. Again, I never do my left hand in the camera because it's kind of hard to record my left hand because I have to be really focused on my left hand. But I'm going to do this step up until I get to the activator part. Now here's what all my nails look like dipped and ready to go. Now we're ready for the activator step. So basically the activator hardens the dip powder. That's what it does, and I'm going to apply that. First I'm going to dust my nails off first so that I can get that excess powder off, and then I'm going to go ahead and add my activator to all of my nails. Before you apply and start filing anything to these nails, you want to make sure you hear this noise right here. Alright, now that my nails are ready and they are ready to be filed, we're going to go ahead and file them. File them to your liking, however you want your nails to be shaped. In this video, I was going for the square shape because these are my natural nails. And again, I applied the dip powder just to strengthen my nails a little bit and to keep me going throughout the week because I don't like raggedy nails. I try to at least keep my nails done in between time and in the meantime. So that's why you see me upload so many nail videos, because I'm always doing my nails. I'm going to use my buffing tools to make sure that the nails are smooth. You kind of still want the rough feeling in order for that gel polish to stick to these nails. The colors I'm going to be using are like a rose gold and a green. And again, you can get these polishes or gel polishes from your local Sally Beauty. That's where I normally get those cute little polishes. I'm going to apply the base coat and I'm going to cure my nails for about 30 to 60 seconds to make sure that the base coat has cured or dried so that I can go ahead and apply the polish on. The rose gold color that I'm going to use, I'm only going to apply that to my thumb and my pinky fingernail. I kind of did not know what I was going for in this video, so I kind of like made it up as I went and was thinking of things to do as I was recording. I was like, oh well, this will be cute, or you know, this will be cute, a cute color. The rose gold, it was kind of like a little bit too light. So after the video was recorded, probably like the next few days, I went ahead and did my thumbnail as a green color. And for my index finger and my middle finger, I'm going to add the green polish. I'll probably put about 3 coats on each hand. Again, I'm not going to do my left hand on camera. I'm going to leave my ring finger blank because I'm going to decide to put some jewels on there. I didn't know what I was going for. I was just freestyling as I went. And if you have not already, make sure you guys hit that subscribe button. It is free. It is free. It is free. I cannot stress it enough. It's free. It's free, man. It's free. But in the meantime, make sure you guys like this video. That lets me know that this is the kind of content that you want to see. And yeah. My nails are all complete. Not really, but the gel polish part is complete as far as the color goes. Now I'm going to do a top coat on my ring finger and I'm going to add some cute jewels. And while I was doing this video, I kind of noticed that the jewels that I added, it actually went with the rose gold and the green, like perfect. Now I will be adding jewels to both my ring fingers. I was really struggling, so I'm going to speed this up because the jewels kept falling. They kept falling in the towel that I had laid on my desk, and it was so hard for me to pick it out that I had to edit this video. Now, side note, this video was probably like 30 minutes long before I edited all of this out and made it the shorter version. But it took me about 20 to 30 to 45 minutes to just put these little jewels on on both hands, which is why I only did my right hand on camera. My SD card ran out of space, but I had already put my top coat on. It ran out of space and it like literally stopped recording in the middle while I was putting my top coat on. But my top coat has been applied and I'm going to file my nails to my liking and shape them to my liking. Here's what the nails look like, kind of filed. And off camera I actually added like a, I don't know why I did that, I added a glass coat to those jewels to make sure that they won't fall off. Your nails ain't done unless you're about to put some cuticle oil on all of them. Not all of them, but all of them. Now again, the cuticle oil basically helps the cuticles with dryness and so on and so forth. And I also just like for my nails to look good. I don't like dry cuticles, I don't like dry hands, so I just try to make sure that my hands and when I do my nails that they're moisturized. Here's what my nails look like after I am completed. I actually enjoyed this process. I actually enjoy doing my nails as well. If you like content like this, make sure that you guys hit that like button and subscribe to my channel. And you guys will see me in my next video. Peace.